Welcome back everyone to another washout video. What you just saw was we dumped out both of the 15-pound tumblers and got everything cleaned up. They've been run through a wash load, and we're glad that you were able to join us here today. We're blessed to have you. So both of these tumblers have ran for 2 weeks. This one's ran on 60-90 grit, this one's ran on 46-70 grit. Since I've been keeping a tumbling journal, that's what it looks like. It's just a typical everyday notebook where I write down when the load starts, what the load is, which tumbler it's running in, all the tumblers are numbered, and how much grit we add and when we want it to end. And we've been keeping track of that now for a while, and it's helping. We're kind of zeroing in on something that works good for us. Everything's been washed. Everything's been rinsed off, ran through a wash cycle, what someone would call a burnish cycle, and everything is ready to move on or to be put back into its respective grit cycle until it's ready for the next cycle. We've got some really nice stones to share today. I'll go ahead and get the other camera positioned and we'll get those stones showcased for you. So that'll conclude out the video. We're going to get these tumblers downstairs and get them running again for a couple more weeks. One of the things that I was pretty excited to share with you today, and we'll do a close-up on these, is this is a couple of pieces of stone we found right here locally in one of the river edges. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you'll see it with the close-up. This looks like a piece of probably feldspar, I'm guessing, and it's got some really heavy, kind of like glittery flake in it, like a mica. Pretty excited to tumble this one. And this one looks just like a basic piece of greenish gray. This one was found locally as well. I know it's a large stone, but I'm very excited to get this one in the tumbler as well. So I want to thank everybody who's followed along. I appreciate the fact that you have followed to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, it would be really nice if you could do that. It helps out the channel and also helps out my family. And if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and give us a like if you like the video. And if you have any questions about what I've done, or any questions about the video itself or tumbling, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Until we see each other again, everybody out there, stay blessed.